Home remedies for knee pain. You can look after your knee pain in some basic and very easy natural home remedy. These solutions are most handy for light to modest pain triggered by overuse, absence of use or inappropriate training. We suggest you also to get in touch with your physician for correct medical diagnosis and therapy. Below are the best natural remedies for knee pain. Number 1. Eat more carrots. Just grate 2 carrots and add some lemon juice so that you can consume it raw. Root is important for good health of the ligaments and it can elevate the pain. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. This is to get immediate relief from a sore knee. You can soak 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seed in some water at night. They must then be consumed in the morning. This can heal your joints. Number 3. Drink more water. Water is the essence of life, and yes, drinking water can also relieve the pain in your knee. Sufficient drinking of water is also useful to soften the cartilage around the knee and to hydrate it. Number 4. Eat more onions. Onions are anti-inflammatory in nature and have phytochemical properties that stimulate the immunity of the body. Onions contain sulfur compounds which can reduce any kind of pain. Number 5. Massage your knee joint. Gently massage your knee joint with hot oil to reduce inflammation, promote blood circulation and relax the area. You can mix 2 tablespoons of mustard oil with 5 cloves of garlic, then warm it up and when it is lukewarm, just apply it on the knee joint. Number 6. Yoga and exercises. Do a few knee-friendly exercises which are mild. This will certainly offer some relief from the knee complaints. Number 7. Milk and turmeric. This is one of the best and the most popular Indian remedies to cure almost any kind of pain. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder in a glass of lukewarm milk. Then drink it every day to remain pain-free. Number 8. Fenugreek seeds crush. Roast 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, crush them and mix them with water to make a paste. Then apply this to the affected area to get relief and to get rid of your knee problems. Number 9. Increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium lowers many biomechanical reactions in our body. This can relax our muscles and nerves, reduce stiffness and relieve the pain. Include magnesium in your diet. Green leaf vegetables, nuts and beans contain a good amount of magnesium. Olive oil. Number 10. Cold compress. Applying cold compresses to the painful knee is one of the best and easiest ways to reduce pain and swelling. Wrap a handful of ice cubes in a thin towel. Then apply the compress to the affected area of the knee for 10 to 20 minutes. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until your pain is gone. Number 11. Ginger. To reduce the knee pain due to arthritis, muscle tension or injury, ginger is an effective remedy. Crush a small piece of fresh ginger root, then add it to a cup of hot water and let it boil for 10 minutes. Then strain it and add a little honey and some lemon juice. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea every day. These remedies for pain in the knee joints can provide relief for knee complaints. We suggest you to also pay attention to your weight. Eat healthy food and exercise regularly to keep your knees healthy. Take care. Love you all.